Brachial plexus. It is the plexus of nerve which is partly lies in the axilla and partly lies in the neck. There are four components for brachial plexus. These are root, trunk, division, and cord. Root Root of brachial plexus is formed by anterior primary rami of spinal nerve C5, C6, C7, C8, and T1 with the contribution of C4 and T2. The plexus may be shifted either one segment above or one segment below, resulting the prefix or postfix condition. In prefix condition, C4 is present, T2 is always absent, and T1 is weak. In postfix condition, T2 is always present, C4 is absent, and C5 is weak. Second component of brachial plexus, trunk. There are three trunks, each root joined to form trunk of the brachial plexus. They are three in number. These are upper trunk, middle trunk, and lower trunk. Upper trunk, root C5 join with the root C6 to forms the upper trunk of the brachial plexus. Middle trunk, root C7 forms the middle trunk of the brachial plexus. Lower trunk, root C8 join with the root T1 to forms the lower trunk of the brachial plexus. Each trunk divided into ventral and dorsal division, known as division of brachial plexus. Chords of brachial plexus. There are three chords: lateral chord, medial chord, and posterior chord. Lateral chord formed by union of ventral division of upper trunk with the middle trunk. Medial chord. The medial chord is formed by ventral division of lower trunk. Posterior chord formed by union of dorsal division of all three trunks. Branches of brachial plexus. Branches of the root of the brachial plexus. It gives two branches. Dorsoscapular nerve. It is also called nerve to rhomboids, root value C5. Long thoracic nerve. It is also called nerve to serratus anterior, root value C5, C6, C7. Branches of the trunk of the brachial plexus. Only upper trunk give the branches. Upper trunk gives two branches. These are suprascapular nerve, root value C5, C6. Nerve to subclavius, root value C5, C6. Branches of the cord of the brachial plexus. Branches of the lateral cord of the brachial plexus. Lateral cord gives three branches. Lateral pectoral nerve, root value C5, C6, C7. Musculocutaneous nerve, root value C5, C6, C7. Lateral root of median nerve, root value C5, C6, C7. Branches of the medial cord of brachial plexus. Medial cord gives five branches. Medial pectoral nerve, root value C8, T1. Medial cutaneous nerve of the arm, root value C8, T1. Medial cutaneous nerve of the forearm, root value C8, T1. Medial root of median nerve, root value C8, T1. Ulnar nerve, root value C7, C8, and T1. Branches of the posterior cord of brachial plexus. Posterior cord gives five branches. These are upper subscapular nerve, lower subscapular nerve, root value C5, C6. Axillary nerve, root value C5, C6. Nerve to latissimus dorsi, root value C6, C7, and C8. Radial nerve, root value of radial nerve C5, C6, C7, C8, and T1.